What's up, everybody? It's Tarek Booker, and today I am building the framing of a doghouse. Now, in this video, you'll see that I am building out the foundation first with 4x4 skids, and I put 2x4s across the 4x4. At first, I thought I was going to build two dog houses on the same 4x4s, but then I just decided, you know what, let me cut it in half and build one first for a proof of concept. So the 2x4s and the 4x4s are green and they're pressure treated. That's why I mentioned that they're green, because the green means that they're pressure treated. And basically, pressure treated just means that they're good for outdoor and weather resistant use. So that's why I use these quality materials to make sure that the doghouse actually lasts. I don't have a dog. I just did this for personal pleasure, just to learn some things and get my hands dirty. But you'll see I already framed up the walls, and that's pretty much that. I just did 4 corners, and to make it a little sturdy, I did some actual framing that I've seen done in houses where you put the corners together. I didn't really get a zoom in on that, so I don't know if you can tell, but there's 2 2x4s in one corner, 2 2x4s in another corner, and then 1 2x4 in the other respective corners. And then here I'm working on the trusses of the roof. I had a little trouble with it because I forgot the concept of trusses. So I kind of just put plywood at first and it was flimsy, and then I realized, okay, it needs to be sturdy. Hence why I put those diagonal pieces of 2x2s, if you will. I'm not even sure if those are 2x2s. They're maybe 1.5 by 1.5. Honestly, 1x's is what they're called. But yeah. So now I put on the front face of the home, the doggy home, and then the front porch as well. Working on the front porch banister just to give it a little more aesthetically pleasing look. And finally, working on the back and the right side. You'll see in the end that I didn't do the left side of the doghouse simply because I wanted to give myself the access to paint and stain it on the inside. I haven't chosen a color yet, but you'll see here I'm pretty much finished. And then I added those 2 vents up top just so air can get out and flow. I'll be covering them with more ventilated materials or something, and I'll figure it out how to do it. But yeah, it's pretty much the finished product. Well, not the finished product, but this is pretty much how it will look. And yeah, tell me how I did. Leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.